and discuss very important one. So when scheduled by your Facebook page, automatically scheduled by your Twitter wall. What are the schedule your posts done by your Facebook wall? The automatically scheduled by where? Twitter profile also. This is eligible only for Facebook page to Twitter only, not for the other. So that is purpose. First of all, we can connect by Facebook to Twitter connect. That is called facebook.com/Twitter. How many pages will connect by your Twitter account? Each and every page you can connect by Twitter page. So what are the page you connect by here? Select it. Any page. What are the content you are posting? Automatically shared by where? Twitter wall. First of all, I check by anything posting by your Facebook, automatically show you by Twitter or not. First check your pages. Now, anything select by your option. Copy, paste. Link will be fetch. Add your multiple images. So I am selecting with 3 images. Okay. I click for what is the option called is share now. And you're posting anything in your Facebook page, automatically shared by where? On your Twitter wall. Now click for refresh. It will take time. Refresh. So refresh time anything save for reload. Don't select the reload option. For the posting time will be take the particular Facebook page. After posting the content in your Facebook page, I am not using any kind of tools to sharing the Facebook page to Twitter schedule post. So done. What is that? Just now. What is that? Men, women, and kids. Come into your kids 184. Refresh. Will come into 185 tweets. Done. See this one. Men, women, and kids and Kondapur. So this will be showing for automatic post on your page, showing by Twitter wall. So if you schedule anything on your Facebook page, so what are the content you schedule by your Facebook page? Automatically scheduled by your Twitter wall also. But here one drawback is there by your Facebook page is called. What are the content you are selecting for backdate? Will not promoted by your Twitter will be backdate posting will be not allowed. Twitter not supporting for the backdate post. So anything what you are posting in this one, so this one. Copy. Paste it. Search your my website link. Contact us. Paste it. Now I can go for schedule post. when schedule will be same time, will be 6:56 will be there. I'm posting for 7:12. Minimum required for 10 minutes required for the any schedule post or schedule. So when schedule this post on your Facebook page, automation post scheduled by the Twitter wall also. But in a problem is called, what are the backdate posting will be there that not supported by the Twitter account. What are the backdate will be post your dates is not suitable by the Twitter account. Suppose you can select by backdate post. It will be showing for Twitter wall today date. We'll check the example. So is a May 5th will be posting. This will be 2 minutes back. May 5th and May 10th. How many days will be pending? 3 days. 5 days will be pending. So select your post. It's select your backdate. Select by year. Select by month. Date will be selected by 7. Click for backdate. So backdate I'm scheduled by when date? May 7. Check the by your Facebook page. But Facebook page published by the May 7th, but Twitter published by today date. Refresh. Is it clear? Anything will be when drawbacks are there and advantages are there. So drawback is called any backdate posting by Facebook page. You are showing for Twitter wall on particular today date. So select here. Four minutes back. Now when done by May 7th. You can check. Kids indoor swimming pool in Kondapur. Now select it. Refresh. 186. 45 seconds back. I'm posting for May 7th, but Twitter are posting by today date. This is a drawback for your particular schedule post by Facebook page to Twitter option. Any schedule post will be done Facebook page to Twitter, no use any tools. But drawback is called backdate not accepted by Twitter profile. Remember, backdate post not accepted by the Twitter wall. That is the Twitter profile. Facebook accept by the backdate posting and the schedule post up to 6 months.